It's Captain Cody Weyereder, C-O-D-Y-W-E-I-R-E-T-E-R. So this evening, the Los Angeles City Fire Department saw an array of lightning strikes across the city. Firefighters responded throughout the city of Los Angeles due to power lines being down on the ground and really creating an immediate hazard for civilians nearby. As you can see behind me, we did have a power pole that was struck by lightning during the high cross arms of the actual high voltage lines that were brought down. So firefighters arrived on scene. We were able to really coordinate cordon off the area, evacuate those businesses that were affected and immediately impacted, and really ensuring that the safety of the scene here on Sepulveda Boulevard, just north of Pico. Our partners from the Los Angeles DWP are on scene. They're the real experts with the anything deal with the electricity. So they're going to go through and shut down the lines here, and then really deem it safe that we're able to reopen traffic here on Sepulveda.
How long do you think Sepulveda is going to be closed?
So at this point, it's too early to really speculate how long we're going to have Sepulveda closed for. These things take time. Obviously, this is a very, very large danger, an immediate risk to health. The voltage that's so intense, you could really take out a person's life like this. So right now, it's a slow motion of trying to figure out how we can get these power lines safely down and re-energized.
Metro from engine 23. Any luck on the call, Saker? Approach Sherwood. Metro from engine 23. Any luck on the call, Saker? Metro from engine.